Good morning, students. As we have done, cell, the fundamental unit of life, which perform all the functions of the body. So, now we are going to discuss that when similar type of cells or a group of cells perform a particular function, that is known as tissue. So we are going to discuss tissue. This is a cell when few cells combine together to form the function, like this is cheek cell. They are known as tissue, and group of tissue is known as organ, and they perform a specific function in the body. So there are two types of tissues, plant tissue and animal tissue. Now the question arises, are plants and animals made up of same type of tissue? प्लांट्स में और एनिमल्स में जो टिश्यूज़ होते हैं क्या सेम होते हैं? सो लेट अस डिस्कस. प्लांट्स आर स्टेशनरी और फिक्स. प्लांट एक ही जगह पे होते हैं, वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर मूव तो नहीं करते. और एनिमल्स दे कैन मूव. प्लांट्स ग्रोथ इन लिमिटेड रीजन. प्लांट्स की जो ग्रोथ होती है वो लिमिटेड रीजन में होती है. और एनिमल्स की ग्रोथ, एनिमल का ग्रोथ जो है एवरी पार्ट, द ग्रोथ इन एवरी पार्ट. प्लांट्स को they need less energy to survive and animals need more energy to survive. In the plants, most of the tissues are dead and they give support to the plant. But in animals, most of the tissues are alive. So tissues are of two types, plant tissue and animal tissue. So we are going to discuss these two types in details in this chapter. So first of all, we discuss about plant tissues. Plant tissues. Plants have two types of tissue. First, meristematic tissues and permanent tissue. So first of all, we discuss about meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues they are simple living tissue which capable of division and formation of new cells. आपको पता है सेल्स जब डिवाइड होते हैं तो नए सेल्स बनते हैं, जिससे सेल जो है हमारे नंबर ऑफ सेल्स बॉडी में ईदर इन प्लांट और इन द एनिमल दे ग्रो. सो दे आर डिवाइडिंग टिश्यू एंड प्रेजेंट इन ग्रोइंग रीजन ऑफ प्लांट्स. ग्रोइंग रीजन प्लांट का कौन सा होता है? रूट and branches. So for example, roots and growing branches. Meristematic tissues are of three types. Number 1, apical meristem. Number 2, intercalary meristem. Number 3, lateral meristem. Let us discuss in details about this. Now in meristematic tissues, first is apical meristem. Apical meristem, it is present in the tip of growing part. It is present in the tip of stem and in the tip of roots. Means stem grow करता है और क्या grow करती हैं? Roots grow करती हैं. और ये कहाँ present होता है? Tip पर. It is present as growing tip of stem and roots. This tissue leads to the elongation of stem and roots. ये stem की growth को और roots की growth को promote करता है. This evolved in primary growth of plants. Next meristematic tissue is intercalary meristem. It is present in the internodes. इंटरनोड्स कौन से होते हैं? स्टेम से जहाँ पर ब्रांचेस ग्रो करती हैं उस पार्ट के ऊपर ये प्रेजेंट होते हैं. बेसिकली इट इज़ द लेफ्ट आउट ऑफ एपिकल मेरिस्टेम. एपिकल मेरिस्टेम जो बच जाता है, ऊपर ग्रो कर गया पार्ट, और जो स्टेम में एपिकल मेरिस्टेम बच जाता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज इंटरकैलरी मेरिस्टेम. इट हेल्प्स इन द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट. ये प्लांट को लेंथ में ग्रो करने में हेल्पफुल होता है. नेक्स्ट मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू इज lateral meristem. It occurs along the sides of longitudinal axis of plant. It is present over here and it give rise to the vascular tissue. Vascular tissue आपको पता है कौन से होते हैं? जूनियर क्लासेस में आपने पढ़ा है vascular tissue जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के काम आते हैं, which takes the prepared food to the plant leaves and the other parts of the plant and which brings the raw material from the roots. So it gives rise to the vascular tissue. It causes growth in the girth of stem and roots. ये जो stem की width को girth को increase करने के काम आता है. This is responsible for the secondary growth. Secondary growth is, first you have the sapling. It increases, and when it start becoming hard, that is known as, when its stem is increases in the size, that is known as girth, means width. This is known as girth and this is known as secondary growth, and this is due to lateral meristem, and this is present over here. Now, as if I have told you that plants have two types of tissue, meristematic tissues and permanent tissue. So we have studied about meristematic tissue. These are known as also dividing tissue because they are helpful for growth. Next comes permanent tissue. Permanent tissue कौन से होते हैं? When the cell stops dividing. Permanent tissue, it is composed of those cells which have lost their capability to divide. They have definite shape, size and thickness. It may be dead or living. Now, permanent tissue are again of two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. So first discuss about simple permanent tissue. Again, simple permanent tissue are of two types: protective tissue and supporting tissue. This we will discuss tomorrow.